Hi, I'm attorney Stuart Sandweiss, and I'm here to talk to you today about whether or not you're going to lose property if you file bankruptcy. That's one of the questions that I get all the time. I'm worried. I need to file bankruptcy, but I don't want to lose my stuff. Well, if you go through a reputable bankruptcy attorney, you're not going to lose your stuff. There are basically two types of consumer bankruptcy cases. A Chapter 13 is where you're allowed to repay your creditors over a 3 to 5 year period, and in such a case, you get to keep all of your property, no questions asked. In a Chapter 7 discharge case, you are allowed to keep a certain amount of property. For example, a certain value in a car, a certain value in a house, and clothing, jewelry, up to a certain value. What a reputable Chapter 7 bankruptcy attorney is going to do is go through a list of all your stuff, figure out the values, and before you file bankruptcy, that's when you want to make sure that you're not going to exceed any of the values as to what are called exemptions. The way I explain it to clients is you take all of your assets and you put them into a bucket, and the law allows you to pull out certain items out of the bucket. As a bankruptcy attorney, my job is to make sure that before you file a Chapter 7 case, that bucket is empty. Otherwise, I would tell you file a Chapter 13. If you've got any questions about whether you're going to qualify for a Chapter 7 or whether you would possibly lose property, feel free, shoot me an email, and we can schedule a time to talk about it.